Hi guys, welcome back to my channel after a really long time. Please do not kill me for this. I know that I'm being really an MIA these days. I don't know why I do this every time. Please forgive me for this. And this time this video is all about enhancing your features, and this is a very beginner friendly video. I'm sure you guys gonna love the hacks that I'll be telling you in this video. And this look, you can just wear this look every time, whether you go to your office or your college, because this is too simple. You guys wouldn't have heard about these tips ever. This is totally new, and obviously this thing is also for your personality grooming, so make sure that you watch this video till the end. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm going to start by putting my sunscreen, because that is a very important step. You cannot miss applying sunscreen. Do not do that. And I'm going to use a huge amount of it, at least this much. It is an acne UV gel. It has, it says it is acne UV. I don't know what does it mean, though it is totally sunscreen. I'm not sure whether it's for acne or what. The instructions and the details doesn't say anything like that, but yes, it has UV and UVB filters, so obviously it is important to apply. And this one is actually suggested by my dermatologist, so I do not skip applying any kind of sunscreen these days, as it's very essential. So this leaves a little white cast, which is totally okay, because your safety, you need to protect your skin, and that is more important than a white cast. Why she suggested me this one? Because it also moisturizes, and I have a dry skin, so this one works best for me. Alright, so we're done. We're gonna start now. And I am gonna use, this BB cream from Nykaa. Can you see this? So this is totally not my color, and I bought this when I had no idea about doing makeup and what tone was my skin. She was a salesperson who just told me like this, this tone actually goes well on your skin, and this looks perfect, looks totally totally natural, but it doesn't. It looks really, I don't know, it looks really pale, because I have a neutral skin tone, and my undertone is very neutral. So because of that, and I have used it a lot, because at that time I didn't know that what actually this thing does. So I am not going to use any kind of applicator to apply this. I'm just going to use my hands, just because the sponge, if you use it, takes a lot of product. It will absorb most of the product, and you will end up having a little amount on your face, which is totally not okay. And if you use a brush, it will leave strokes, because this is totally do not have any kind of coverage. And when you use brush on a very low coverage foundation or anything like this, then obviously it doesn't work that well. I'm just dabbing it before it dries. It dries really quickly. So the reason why I have used this BB cream is because I know it looks dark, so that is why I'm telling you that why I have used it. Just because I do not have to use any bronzer to highlight and contour my areas. I just have to use a highlighter wherever it is necessary. So that was the only basic thing, that why I actually used this darker shade on me, and it's totally different. You guys can see the difference, right? So now we're gonna do the concealing, and we're just gonna enhance the areas wherever it is necessary, wherever we want the areas that look more prominent and enhanced, so there is no kind of imperfection basically. So yes, I'm gonna use this concealer. This is a drugstore concealer from Maybelline, and this one, you guys, can you see the patch it has made on my palms? You guys can see the difference of the shade. It looks pale and my hand looks a little bright. And yeah, so let's get into the concealing now. And I am using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm gonna highlight the areas here, and I'm not gonna use much. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this product, just giving a lifted effect to my eyes. And here, of course, because this area is a little dark, my nose. So guys, can you see the difference between my concealer and the BB cream? The shades are too different, and I hope they look good, because this is the only way to correct this thing and highlight your areas, enhance your areas. And I am gonna dab my finger so that I don't waste a lot of product onto it. So we're gonna go ahead with this sponge. I went for an interview, and the woman who was taking my interview, she told me like, this is how you usually look, because you're totally barefaced, and are you that simple? I just told her, yeah, this is how I actually do it. I don't do any kind of makeup or anything, because like I was not that interested. I couldn't actually waste time in putting makeup and go anywhere. I usually feel lazy putting makeup. That is the only reason why I hate putting makeup on my face, because it wastes a lot of time and I don't like wasting it. So yeah, she told me like, this is how you actually look. So I said, yeah, this is how I look. So she told me like, Karishma, you need to see like, you need to handle the clients, and you need to make sure that you look good. You should, if you come tomorrow, please make sure that you have a little bit of makeup on your face, because currently you're looking very dull, and obviously you should look attractive and you should look good. It's very important. So gone are the days when people used to look very simple and leave. People actually still perceive that people who are simple and don't have any kind of shonk to dress up and groom themselves, and they're very proficient in their work, they're more productive. But that's not the case, especially in this century. So you need to look good, because obviously that also boosts up your morale and you become more productive. Because you would have even noticed that when you ever dress up well, when you wear a new dress, you look good, you feel good. So if you look good, you will always feel good and your day would be more productive. So it's totally like connected to each and everything. You should look good, you should groom yourself, you should have a good personality, you should all smell really nice, have a good perfume for yourself, smell good, because that would give you some positive vibes. It's really important these days. So we are done. Did you guys think the concealer actually worked really well? Because otherwise I would have gone with that BB cream only. I would have ended up looking really bad. So yeah, this concealer actually solved the problem of my contouring and also highlighted some areas and made me look bright. So this was the actual trick you guys can use, and that's all. Now I'm gonna go ahead with my blush, and I'm just gonna get and grab it because it's not here with me. Oh, it's here. So this one is my favorite blush. See it? This one, Clean Beauty. So Clean Beauty is one of the ranges of My Glam, and this is a cocoa butter lip and cheek pencil in French Rose. I actually use it on my cheeks only, and guys, the Clean Beauty is actually infused with really good ingredients which are really nice for your skin. So I'm only using those products, mainly those products which has something in it like vitamin E or anything which actually makes your skin look better and glowy, and also heals your skin. So here I'm gonna apply it, and I'm just gonna dab. So, and smile. So cheeks are my favorite part. I just love using blush over them because you look much healthier. Also, it looks a little rosy and glowy, and you look really healthy after putting it. So it actually completely changes the whole look. So this is the trick which I usually use. And of course, I'm not gonna skip my lips. I am using this lipstick. Guys, do you know this is, I hate this shade. Totally hate this shade because this is totally not a summer color. But why am I applying it? I'm gonna show you how I am gonna use it, and there's a trick which you do not want to miss. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. Do you see how dark this shade is? I don't like this color. I'm just applying it roughly, that's all. Okay. Now, the most important part is to curl your eyelashes. So I'm just curling my eyelashes. I'm gonna use a mascara. I always use a drugstore mascara. I had a Chanel mascara, but I usually buy the drugstore ones which are really inexpensive. And they all work pretty well, so you do not have to waste money in buying a luxury mascara ever. And do not forget your lower lashes also. How this mascara makes a lot of difference on your face. Do you guys see how beautiful the eyes actually look after mascara? Okay, so now I'm gonna reveal the secret, and I'm gonna tell you what I usually do with my lips. I have applied this lipstick, but this is too dark and I don't want that. Obviously this is not no for summers and no for winters also, because this is totally not my shade. So what I'm gonna do is, I have a tissue paper and I have used oil. This is a normal oil. You can grab any kind of oil that you can like a coconut oil or anything like that, obviously for your hair only. And I'm just gonna remove the lipstick. Be very careful while removing it, because it can smudge all over and it can look messy. You just have to be very precise in it. So what it will do is, it will just leave a stain of the lipstick. If you guys do not have any kind of lip tint, you can just use this method, or just dab some finger and just apply it on your lips. And because this is not my favorite lipstick and I don't use it, that is why I only use it in this way. Removed it, and you can see the lipstick has left its stain on the lips and looks really natural. What you can do is, like, you can just use a lip balm, or you can also use a gloss. I'm gonna use this gloss and I'm gonna apply it on my lips so that they do not look dry and look a little juicy. And we are good to go. This is the whole look, and I hope you guys liked it. This is especially for those who are actually don't know how to use makeup and do not have much stuff at their home. They can use all these basic products. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you like the hacks that I have taught you in this video, and I'm sure you guys gonna apply this in your daily life. Do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon if you're new here, and also like this video if you liked my tips. Until next time guys, we'll see you again. Bye.